Good afternoon all, and myself is Mantesh NP. I am assistant professor in KZ Engineering College, belongs to Civil Engineering Department. Today I would like to discuss about the balancing of the close error by Bowditch rule. So what is mean by closing error? So closing error means you have to any surveyed areas or any structurals which you have to find out the ends of the all the declared lines. The declared lines means which will dealing with the A to B line and B to C line, C to D. You have to each and every point should be close to the in one point. That is called closing error. It should not be closing in one error. You have to find out the that which line occupying the where the error should be comes from any of the structures like electrical poles or electrical wires, tapes or any like arranging rods or manually you have to adopt it in balancing the lines. So let us discussing about the latitude departure. Let us discuss about latitude and departure. So here you have to find out the perimeter of the traverse. How will perimeter of the traverse means adding of all the total lengths. So total lengths whatever the given lengths A, B, B, C, C, D and D A, this is a close perimeter of all the traverse, that is called all equally transfer for the latitude of the structures. Next, what are the sides here? So sides means A to B here, B to C and C to D, these are the sides of the traverse. So what is the length of AB here? 235.1 and BC 317.1 and CD 215.1 and DA is 281.6. These are the lengths of each side of the traverse. So next, what is mean by latitude? Define latitude. So latitude means the when the particular lines whichever the perpendicular lines with each of north to south level, that is called latitude of the traverse. Okay, right. So next, what is mean by departure? So it is perpendicular to the any directions of south to west directions. South to west direction means they should come as a fourth quadrant to second quadrant, that is called departure of the traverse. Now you can tell me the what is the main difference between latitude and departure. Okay, right. So here some they are given for some datas, then I will be calculated all the among this all the latitude and departures. You should know the corrections of each and every point of the lines. So let us discussing about the starting point, which is sigma L equal to sigma latitude into length of that line divided by perimeter of the traverse. So here perimeter of the traverse means total length of the lines. Total length of the line means 235.1 and 317.1 and 215.1 and 281.10. It should be equal to 1089.41. The sigma of P equal to 1049.1 is the your perimeter of overall length. Then next, latitude and departure, they are already given. What is the latitude of AB? 218.5 and BC 42.16 and CD negative 29.49 and DA minus 50.51. So these are the they are given latitude and departures. Now you should calculate the all what is the sigma L and sigma D and perimeter of the traverse. So first step here, sigma L is equal to 0. What is the sigma L formula? L1 cos theta 1 plus L2 cos theta 3 plus L3 cos theta 3 plus L4 cos theta 4. So put the values in this formula. So what is the L1 here? 235.1 into cos 218.5 plus 317.1 into cos 42.16 and L3 215.10 and cos negative 209.49. Negative indicates it is a departure in second quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, DA 281.6 minus 50.51. So this one indicates that will be in fourth quadrant. The negative indicates the fourth quadrant will latitude minus and second quadrant also it will be minus. In first quadrant both are positive. So in first quadrant both are positive and latitude minus for second quadrant, and third quadrant both are negative, and fourth quadrant again latitude departure negative and latitude positive. So these are the some quadrants with the equilibrium of the latitude and departure depending upon their signs, right. So next, what is the next step? Sigma departure is equal to 0. So instead of cos theta, you should write sin theta 1, L sin theta 1 plus L2 sin theta 2 plus L3 sin theta 3 plus L4 sin theta 4. So, after that all the putting the values in mathematical equation, you know the minus 0.88 is a error in departure. So, in error in latitude is 0.66. So, only the latitude indicates which are nearly visible for 0.66 level and the departure level is negative 0.88. So, it is more than departure. So, here the latitude is less than departure because the error comes should be in a 0.66. So, in departure it will come as a negative 0.88. Next, so how will calculate the corrections the value? How will find out the corrections the value is one systematic formula is there for line AB. So, it will calculate the each and every line from A to B line. So, sigma L into L divided by LT. So, sigma L is the total error in latitude here. This one is total error in latitude 0.666. Just put the values in systematic formula, sigma L is equal to into L, L of that line. What is the length of that line? AB. What is the length? 235.1. So, put the values in formula 235.1 divided by LT, arithmetic check of perimeter of the traverse. So, what is the perimeter of the traverse here? 1049. 1049 is a total length of traverse. So, put the values in 1049.1. So, we will get the correction latitude of line AB is 0.147, this one 0.41. I will get sigma L into L divided by LT. So, sigma L is the total error in latitude 0.66 into length of that line, which line? AB line. So, here 235.1. So, 235.1 divided by length of traverse of perimeter. What is the perimeter here? 1049.1. So, you will get the latitude of correction latitude of 0.147, right. Then similarly, we have to find out the BC, CD and DA. Put the values, only the change will be length of the line. So, length of the line AB, length of the line BC and length of the line CD and length of the line DA. Only the three values will be similarly, the remaining two are constant because the latitude will represent of total perimeter of the length and total latitude of the error. So, that two errors should be in same. The two errors means 0.66 and 1049 point is same and remaining is the length of each line. So, length of each line means AB, BC, CD, DA. So, these are the only the line should be changed in latitude of Bowlditch rule. So, next find out in the departures. What is the departure here? The perpendicular line which showing the south and west directions, that is in south and west direction, that is called departure. So, first of all, what is mean by departure? I already started at the class, I already spoke at the introduction part of departure. Anybody can tell or you can try with the departure. So, what is mean by departure? So, it will come as the departure means it will be perpendicular side distance of south to west direction, that will be in a minus into minus. So, always in third quadrant and fourth quadrant the departure will be negative. So, here the D is equal to, the D represent of departure is equal to sigma of D into D by dt. What is the departure of here? Departure of that line divided by total perimeter of the traverse into sigma D. What is sigma D here? Negative minus 0.88. So, we will put the values 0.88 into departure of that line. Which line? AB line. So, AB line here again the same value 235.1. Again the perimeter of the traverse is 1049.1 because all the perimeters are equal to in latitude and departure. So, it should be considered a same value for departure also. 1049.1 is equal to sigma of departure AB equal to 0.197 and BC equal to 0.266 and CD is equal to 0.180 and DA is equal to 0.236. So, this one is how to calculating the correction for departures. And next, how will balanced for the these two corrections. These two corrections will be balancing for the latitude and departure will be connected as 218.5 plus this correction latitude 218.5 plus this 0.147 will get as a 218.350 and similarly 42.16 plus 0.119, 41.961, so minus 209.49, 0.135 you will get as a minus 209.625 and minus 50.51 plus this one 0.117 you will get as a minus 80.645 is the balance of the latitude traverse. Next, similarly the departure minus 86.8 plus 0.197 will get as a minus 86.603 and 214.59 plus 0.266, 214.856, next 48.36 plus 0.180 will get as a 48.8184 minus 277.03 plus 0.236 minus 276.70. These are the balanced of latitude and departures level. So, this should be after that you calculating the total length of latitude and departure, it should be equal, it should be 0.0. Then you know the close traverse of each direction should be, error should be clear of all 4 quadrants. So, it is clear. I hope this type of problems will be asked in your problems or in examination, how to solve for the latitude and departures. I hope this one is clear. Okay, right. So, first the basic step is to write what they are given, and next you have to make a tabular column corrections for latitude and departure and balanced for latitude and departure, and write the formula and what are the representing of the data, sigma L and L by P. L is the length of that line, P is the perimeter traverse, L is error in latitudes. So, sigma D is equal to same sigma departure of the line or sides. So, D departure of the error in departure. So, sigma L you know the 1 cos theta 1, cos theta 2, cos theta 3, cos theta 4 and L2. So, sigma D L sin theta 1, sin theta 2 and sin theta 3 and sin theta 4. After that you know the calculating the corrections of each and every lines. What is the formula here? Sigma L into L by LT. So, sigma L is equal to total error in latitude into length of that line divided by arithmetic check of perimeter of the traverse. So, next after calculating this value, just put the in tabular column, and next departure you should know the sigma D into D by dt. So, again you have to calculating the all the values, this one or put the values in right in this tabular column, and after that balanced sections. The balanced section means which will be error should be comes in each and every line, the length and departure should be calculating the correction values. 281 for example, the first line AB 218.5 plus 0.147, 218.353. So, this one is the corrections. What are the corrections to representing in this balanced direction? Similarly, all will be calculate the values. Finally, the last value is equal to 0. Then will be the problem will be the whole area should be corrected the close error by Bowditch rule. Now, I hope this problem is clear. So, if any doubts or any clarifying, so just ask in WhatsApp or my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.